Good morning, everyone. Today I'm actually experimenting with a technique that's not really a technique, it's just using some unusual ingredients. Happy birthday to everyone that has a birthday today. That's a beeswax candle. Today I'm using just blueberry juice. Shake it up before you use it. And I'm using flax oil. I've mixed up in one of the cups the blueberry and the flax oil with a little bit of white paint. Some extra white paint that I need to add just a little bit of water. I use these spoon straws to mix, and then I can pour up like this and see if the paint is the right consistency. Another thing I wanted to mention before we begin is to wear some safety glasses. I use these yellow ones. It helps with the bright lights for me. The bright lights sometimes bother my eyes, so I wear this because paint has splashed up on my face when I was mixing. Sorry about the new lights on this side. I have new lights, I'm still experimenting. So this is one of the paintings I poured this morning. This is a very light concentration of the blueberry and white paint. So today I'm going to take some of the white paint. I'm just going to pour it in the middle. Pouring it over the edges pretty much, and I see that some of this is a little bit thicker. I'm going to mix it a little bit more. I'm also using this acrylic gloss medium from Sargent. First time using it. Really have to shake up the bottle because it does separate. And I'm adding it to the white. And let me mix this. Just a tad thick. I'm going to just take a little bit of water. So here's the, because this is the paint I'm going to use, and I'm just probably going to do a straight pour. I'm going to take some of this out. This is 8x8 canvas. I think I need about 5 ounces of paint. So here's the blueberry mixed with the flax oil. I just put some in, I squeezed it, probably like a tablespoon maybe. I don't measure, I just look. I like to just view it. So I'm going to add the blueberry to the side, and not using all of it. And it's just mixed in there. I'm going to pinch it. And hopefully it won't run off. So I'm just going to start. Going to add some more blueberry juice. Might as well use it all. It's a really very subtle color. turn it a little bit. I'm going to take the cup and just squeeze out the paint as best that I can. And torch it. I'm not sure how this is going to dry. I mean, it is organic material. And we'll see how this gloss medium works. It says used as a medium or varnish for use with acrylic paint. So it did separate at the bottom. I really had to shake it up a lot. All right, so here we go. So on the painting here on your left, this one, I did like a rain pour, and then I didn't really like it because in the middle there was too much weight, so I just used my spoon straw and I dipped it into some of the blueberry and I dropped it in and swirled it with the hair tool to make the marbling effect. I've always been a big fan of book marbling and like silk scarves dipped in paint, make it like marbled effect. So this is very interesting. It's very light. It's like a grayish. Let me take off my yellow glasses because look what happened when you wear yellow. One time I went into the yarn store to buy yarn and I was wearing yellow glasses because I wear them when I drive. And I was picking out some yarn and I got home and it was not the color I wanted, but I actually liked the color. It was like pink, but it became like an orangey color with the glasses. So without the glasses, this is a grayish blue. Very interesting. Now I have another idea for the blueberry juice. All right, that's it. I'm not tilting this. I'm just leaving it like that. I think it's really balanced. Seems to be staying on pretty good. Let me just turn it. I hope this is level. There you can see that one over here. Whoops, over here it's like some of the paint. You know what, that's okay. I'll take some of this paint. I'll paint the paint in a cup and I'll just pour it on the edges. Take my spoon straw. And take it on the edge here. I hope you like it. I really love that you're watching. Today is Monday. I live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So I'm on the East Coast. I'm not going to mess with this one anymore. Let me pour some more of the paint and that will drip off and that'll be fine. Just take it over the edges because the edges don't seem to have enough paint, and I'll probably resin these once they dry for a couple weeks. So yeah, I live in Philadelphia. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Susie. I take care of my husband who's bedridden with ALS, so that's my job right now. I am a licensed massage therapist, so you'll see some of my other videos. I'm really into eating well and taking care of yourself and having a positive attitude. So I did want to show you, I want to show you the flax oil and the blueberry. Now I make a drink of this. I take about half a cup of blueberry juice. I mix it with some water because it's rather thick. I add a dollop of flax oil. This is the brand, it's fresh. It gives you an expiration here. Well, it's freshest before April 30th, 2020, and it tells you the date it was pressed in April of this year. I always look for the expiration, well, the made by date that's closest to the present date, because that means it's fresher. So this, again, you need to shake this really well. And then I just squirt some in a cup, about a tablespoon, I guess, and I drink that. It's for my health. You can Google that and see if that would be a good option for you. All right, I'm just going to torch this. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll try this. It's very subtle. Really pretty though. I love how it came out. I'm pretty happy with it. Again, 2 different paintings. Same paint. 8 by 8 canvas. And thank you, and tune in next time. I love that you're watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.